Now the packaging for these models was a simple card with a blister with the shape of the aircraft inside. And the plane sat on the bottom tray here, and the blister fit over top. It was sealed. Wasn't really much to it. These have Bauer on them and German writing. I got these from Hamleys in London by mail order. I'd seen them on a list of theirs. I took a chance and ordered them, and I'm glad I did. But they were produced in China, and I guess Bauer was the importer. Now the last one of the lot I've got, everybody will recognize, the Fokker DR1. Little beauty. Famous plane, flown by von Richthofen, the Red Baron. There's little twin guns on the top of the fuselage. Again, nice little tail skid detail. Movable rudder. There was a total of 13 in this series. I've got these 4. I've really never found any others anywhere. Mostly World War I aircraft. They did do the Snyder Trophy winners, the Supermarine aircraft, and another Italian one, float planes, racers, which would be nice. But all in all, a nice series, and I'd like to get more of them. If you get a chance to find any, go for it.